Meal prep for keto diets. Have you ever wondered how to seamlessly integrate the principles of the ketogenic diet into your meal prep routine? The ketogenic diet, known for its low-carb, high-fat approach, has gained immense popularity due to its potential for weight loss and improved overall health. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In our exploration at Meal Prep for Keto Diets, we embark on a culinary journey into the world of keto meal preparation, uncovering the secrets of how you can plan, prepare, and savor delicious, low-carb meals that align with your keto goals. Get ready to discover a world of meal prepping that not only simplifies your daily eating but also makes staying in ketosis an achievable and sustainable lifestyle. 1. The Keto Diet Revolution. Our journey begins with an acknowledgement of the keto diet's rise to fame, with its promise of weight loss, improved energy, and enhanced mental focus. 2. Understanding the keto diet. To meal prep for a keto diet, you must understand the diet itself. We'll delve into the science and principles behind the ketogenic diet, which emphasizes fat as the primary energy source. 3. Preparing for success. Meal prep isn't just about cooking in bulk, it's about strategic planning. We'll discuss the importance of meal prepping for keto, including setting goals and staying organized. 4. Keto-friendly ingredients. Discover the essential ingredients for keto meal prep, from healthy fats like avocado and coconut oil to high-quality proteins and low-carb vegetables. 5. Practical meal prep techniques. We'll explore meal prep techniques that streamline the cooking process, including batch cooking, ingredient prepping, and storing keto meals for the week. 6. Diverse and delicious recipes. Meal prep for keto doesn't mean boring food. We'll provide a variety of keto recipes that are both flavorful and nutritionally balanced. 7. Customizing your keto journey. Keto is not one size fits all. We'll discuss how to tailor your keto meal prep to your dietary preferences and specific health goals. 8. A lifestyle of keto success. In conclusion, meal prep for keto diets is a testament to the fact that keto is more than a diet, it's a lifestyle. It's not just about losing weight, it's about achieving sustainable health and vitality through delicious and purposeful meal prepping. As we embark on this journey into the world of meal prep for keto diets, you'll find that keto meal prep is a culinary adventure filled with flavor, health, and the potential for transformative well-being. It's a journey that allows you to take control of your keto lifestyle, making it not only accessible but also enjoyable, meal by meal. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.